Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are delve into the critical aspects of service reporting and service level agreement SLA management as outlined in the ISO 20000-1 standard for IT service management. This standard sets the framework for ensuring the effective delivery of IT services to meet the needs and expectations of customers. Understanding service reporting. Service reporting is a fundamental component of IT service management. It involves the systematic collection, analysis, and presentation of data related to IT service performance. Service reporting provides valuable insights into the efficiency, effectiveness, and quality of IT services, allowing organizations to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Components of service reporting. Effective service reporting encompasses various components including service performance metrics, incident and problem management statistics, service availability and reliability data, customer satisfaction feedback, and financial performance indicators. These components provide a comprehensive view of IT service performance from multiple perspectives. Importance of SLAs in IT service management. SLAs are formal agreements between service providers and customers that define the expected level of service delivery. SLAs outlines specific service targets, performance metrics, responsibilities, and remedies in case of service failures. By establishing clear SLAs, organizations can manage customer expectations, align service delivery with business objectives, and ensure accountability and transparency. Key elements of SLA management. SLA management involves several key elements including SLA definition and negotiation, monitoring and measurement of service performance against SLA targets, reporting and communication of SLA performance to stakeholders, and continuous improvement of SLAs based on feedback and changing business requirements. Ensuring compliance with ISO 20000-1. ISO 20000-1 provides guidelines for establishing effective service reporting and SLA management processes. Organizations can ensure compliance with ISO 20000-1 by implementing documented procedures for service reporting, defining clear SLAs based on business needs and customer requirements, establishing mechanisms for monitoring and measuring service performance, and regularly reviewing and improving SLAs and service reporting processes. In conclusion, service reporting and SLA management are integral components of IT service management, essential for delivering high-quality IT services that meet customer needs and expectations by adhering to the guidelines outlined in ISO 20000-1 and implementing robust service reporting and SLA management processes. Organizations can enhance service delivery, build customer trust, and drive business success. Thank you for your attention, and I invite any questions or discussions on this important topic. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.